Thanks, vobiscum. Welcome back to the channel, and to another episode of The Vestal Virgin Plays. Today we are back at it again with The Sound of Horses. A new dawn breaks and brings new possibilities. Now we are on day 4. The reveal with photo evidence. Find Robert, Homeland Times. A couple of new quests for us today. Now, last we left off, we had many things happen to us. We found out that actually it was a hoax. With regards to the crop circles, we saw a couple of people out there in the field, and they were making the crop circles themselves for some odd reason. And then we also went careening through the night. Poor Lady Hazel had to deal with me. Careening through the night, doing the sort of night course to train ourselves to prepare for the night race coming up with the two bullies, the two town bullies, it seems. And what else went on? Oh, and while we were doing that, we saw a light in the mines, which was rather interesting. So something is going on here. It seems as if, though, with regards to the fact that we saw... oh, I just noticed something. They actually put some depth in the windows. Just enough to make it look as if you are actually looking into the interiors. It is just a small little detail, but I very much appreciate that. Thank you. Alrighty. And anyway, so a light in the mines, crop circles are a hoax. Is it magic, or is it something else going on in this island? Let's find out. Robert. Good morning, Vera. I barely slept last night. We need to uncover the truth, but the problem is sensitive. My uncle is involved in this whole trick, and he's not only my uncle, but also my employer. That would be a problem, wouldn't it? I think it's best if you go to Harriet, show her the photos, and explain everything. I'm going to be honest, Robert, it's been a moment. I don't remember who Harriet is, but I shall go... Oh, the town hall. There we go. I was wondering, who is Harriet? Come along, Lady Hazel. We are off to, disprove a hoax, if you will. Now, why they would be doing crop circles just for funsies, I don't know. Oh, but this town is so pretty. I would live here. If you don't mind, Lady Hazel, I will get off here. Yes, you are the most perfect pony. Harriet. Good morning. Is what you're saying true? Do you have photo evidence? I sure do. Pardon me, let me adjust a little here. Oh my goodness, now I'm really angry and I don't like that at all. I need to talk to Maximilian and find out what's going on. Can I keep the photos? All right, thank you. Goodbye for now. Harriet does not mess around. I appreciate that. Green light for the train. Oh, right, that's right. We met that gentleman in the mountains, and he wanted us to see if his permit to get the railway sorted was approved yet. So I suppose we can help with that. Anyway, what an interesting few days for us. We show up into town, we get handed a free horse, we make new friends, and then also in the matter of days we discover potential aliens, but not actually aliens, and we show up on the doorstep of the town hall and say, oh, by the way, I have some photo evidence that this alien activity actually isn't alien activity. I know you don't know me, but here you go. Very eventful. Hello, Harriet. Good morning, Vera. It's your lucky day. Walter's permit is finally ready. Now he can really get started with the train project. I heard he's helping with something in Eckerby. Here's the permit. Eckerby. Green light for the train received. Where is Eckerby? Oak Village. My goodness, this is quite the large map. I am very excited to see, and especially if there are these islands and a harbor, I'm very excited to see where this will take us. Now if I can remember how to get to the quest area. Sorry, Lady Hazel. I'm going to slow down and take another look at this map here. Alright, so it looks as if we can go here and cut up through the mountains, and that will take us to where we need to be. I do think it would be useful in the future, if able, to add a sort of fast travel system. I think that would be very helpful at certain legs, so that way you can actually get from point A to point B, because as enjoyable as it is to gallop around... See if I can actually make this jump. Good job, Lady Hazel. Right, I think it was this way. But yes, I think a little bit of a fast travel system would help cut down on some repetition and maybe the feeling of go fetch, if you will, for quests, if that were possible. Again, I'm only just now learning about... I feel like last time we could canter a lot longer and Lady Hazel would not get tired. I wonder if that was an update or something. But yes, anyway, if I could finish my thought, that would be great. I'm very good at just sort of rambling. Let's try this. Fast travel? Good. Cut down on repetition. Make game more enjoyable in later stages, perchance. Me not know how do, due to me not know how game work. But that's where we're at. Oh, what's that? Mushrooms. Very nice. And again, I say all of this for... I mean, look at that view. For an early access game, this is very well done. I'm so excited to see where this will go. And as I've said in the previous videos, I have been yearning for horse games like this. Apple Farm. I hope we go there. Alright. Let us check the map, I think. Alright, we need to go left. But which left? Check again. I guess this one? Oh, wrong way. I mean, we could go visit the apple farm just for funsies, but... I would also like to give the nice man his permit. I do believe we need to go this way, actually. Alright, that looks more correct. Whoops. Sorry, Lady Hazel. There we go. Oh, now this would be such a pleasant place to live. Cottage with some sunflowers outside. Right next to the water. Oh, goodness. Hello, Walter. Hello, Vera. Oh, what fantastic news. The permit is here, and this means so much to me. I might need more hands. Would you like to help? Sure. Now we can finally start clearing the tunnels. Take my toolbox. Take my toolbox and ride along the water and over the bridge. The tunnel over there has been boarded up by the authorities for a long time. Break the planks so we can take a look inside. I'll see you at the workshop later. Oh. My goodness, you have a lot of trust for a young woman who just... Oh, horse skill improved. Oh. Well, that was fun. As I said, you have a lot of trust for a young woman who just showed up literally 4 days ago. Oh, I see a cow. I see many cows. But again, what a lovely little feature, just having the cows actually moving. Moving, if you will. Let's go run with the cows, Lady Hazel. Oh, look at this pretty white one. Oh, and the cows move as you run along. And they make noises. Very, very nice. I love little details like that. Alright. He said to ride along the water. Till we get to a bridge. So we shall do so. I do admit I have not done much research into this game, but I simply must see if the creators have a Kickstarter or a Kickstarter or something to potentially donate to, because again, did we go the right way? Hold on. Ah, yes, I think we are going the right way. If they have a Kickstarter or a Ko-Fi or something of that sort, I would love to donate. Because again, it has been too long since I've seen a horse game of this scale, and with this much promise. May hurt your horse? No, 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 no! Oh, Lady Hazel, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that. Now, that's very pretty. Right, there's the tunnel. And be sure to keep Lady Hazel far away from those tracks. How am I supposed to take down this wall? What was Walter thinking? Wait, maybe Lady Hazel can kick it down? Press space or the kick button to guide your horse to kick. Lady Hazel, you've been holding out on me. You're a warhorse. But I'm glad that someone else had that thought of, wait a moment. Walter, why are you asking this young lady to do this? Right, Lady Hazel? Oh, I'm going to go with the headcanon now that Lady Hazel is actually a Lipizzaner, and that we have some sort of Spanish classical training. Or we do, and then Lady Hazel just so happens to be the most intelligent, wonderful young lady. Good job, Lady Hazel. Let's inspect this tunnel. And I do love little things like that, like including your horse into everything. Even if it may not be the most realistic, it makes it the most fun. Oh, that's terrifying. How are we going to clear all these rocks? It's a good question. I don't think Lady Hazel can kick them all. Find Walter. Walter work. Remove the planks. Find Walter. Walter work. Well, I do like how the ambient changed. Oops, sorry, Lady Hazel. And then even the sound of the hoofs change when you're in the cave. Very, very nice. Very nice. Alright, back to Walter it is. I don't want to hurt Lady Hazel, though. Alright, we'll slow down. Alright, we'll just make sure to walk, because that doesn't seem to hurt her. But I do, and then you see as Lady Hazel walks, she's not static. Her head moves around, her ears move. Oh, I'm so excited to see where this game is going. And actually, I do believe it was the creators of this game actually commented on my previous two videos, which is very kind of them to do so. And I do hope to continue to support them in their efforts because, again, I see so much potential in this game, and I'm so thankful for it as well. Because even as I provide my minor critiques, this is still a wonderful game. I'm enjoying it. And Lady Hazel is my girl, and I'm already planning on commissioning some art of her because I am a horse girl at heart. It's alright, Lady Hazel. Let's get you some food and drink, and then we'll head back up to Walter. And tell him that we don't know what he was thinking, having us take down planks and move rocks. Maybe he just got a little overexcited. But I'm also very excited. Well, or should I say I am excited that Lady Hazel there, they added that mechanic of having her be able to kick. It's rather fun. She is a mighty warhorse, it is true. I believe we need to go up. There we go. Oh, what a pretty waterfall. And this way, yes. Oh, there are the tracks. And I believe we can just follow the tracks. Oh, before we do that though, let's just get across. There we go. There he is. Hello, Walter. Already done. Nice work. You and Lady Hazel got those planks out in no time. But you're saying the collapse is bigger than I thought. To clear all the rocks we need to blast. There's no— Oh, Walter, that doesn't seem like a good idea. Come back tomorrow. I need to prepare explosives first, then we can head into the tunnel and clear it. Oh, dear. Oh, and look here— Oh, no, Lily! I foresee Oh, Hazel's cat is missing. Hi, Lily. Alrighty. Oh, our horses have matching stars. Or stripes? Star stripes. Oh, I'm so glad I found you. Hazel's cat is missing and she needs our help. Hazel asks for help. Oh, Lily. Ah, yes, I'll come along with you. I knew at some point today there was going to be some galloping about at breakneck speed in our future. I think Lady Hazel's a bit tired today, though. I don't know how her horse just keeps going and going and going. Poor Lady Hazel. She is a warhorse. She's meant for quick spurts and strong kicks. She's not a racehorse. And that's perfectly fine with me. Lady Hazel is perfect just the way she is. Oh. There's a cat right there. Hello, Hazel. Oh, I'm so happy to see you. I really need your help. My cat Luna ran off and I haven't seen her for such a long time now. She's very curious and often sneaks around, but she's never been gone this long. I'm so worried. Please, can you and Lily help me find her? I can't leave my shop. We should search in different places so we can find her faster. I'll check up by the church, and you can look down by the bridge, around the stable, and in the house. Oh, and the house. Well, she said in the house. It's like, knock, knock, hello. We'll meet here again at Hazel's. All right, Lily. Oh, pardon me. All right, Lady Hazel, let us find this missing feline. Careful now. Good girl. Oops. Oh no, Luna isn't here. Where is she? I wonder if Luna's a white cat. I didn't see her. Let's try over here. Where could she be hiding? Luna, where are you? Right, well, we looked around here. Didn't see anything. Talk to Hazel. Is this Luna? Find out. Oh, you've searched everywhere, but no one has seen her. This is really strange. Luna can't just disappear without a trace, can she? Maybe Dora knows something. She's home now eating lunch. Go with Lily. She knows where Dora lives. I hope she can help. Ask the woman who knows everything. Is this Luna? She's white, so maybe. Right, time to go talk to the woman who knows everything, and I do wish that were me, but I'm sure as if you've been here long enough with me, watching me play these games, you know that I know nothing. Good job, Lady Hazel. Come on. Oh, love how I'm making noises as if my horse were real. This is Dora's house. I should knock on the door. Good job, Lady Hazel. Oh, what's... Oh, jump. Oh, hello. And that's another thing, too. It's not just... I love that Dora actually comes to the door and answers your knock. It's little things like that. Anyway. Oh, hello. Are you looking for Luna? That little rascal sometimes sneaks around the vegetable shop. I actually saw her this morning. She was sniffing around the vegetable crates, but when I tried to pet her, she ran off toward the forest, in the direction of the old mine. Maybe Walter has seen her? I hope you find her soon. Bye for now. Oh, back to Walter. Oops. Come along, Lady Hazel. Are we going the right way? I'm not sure. Seems to be the right way. Oh, there she is. Alright. We're just taking a little bit of a shortcut ourselves. Oh! Well, that was more of a shortcut than I thought. Lady Hazel, I'm glad you're all right. I thought we were farther up than we were. My apologies. Hello, Walter. Can you help? Are you looking for Hazel's cat? Unfortunately, I haven't seen her. There's a lot of old junk around the mine where a little cat could easily hide. Oh, that's scary. Alright, let's try once more. You check around here, and I'll search behind this house. See you soon. Alright, Lily, I shall also take a look here. The search continues. Let's see. And there's another spot over here. No sign of Luna. I'm starting to lose hope. Or maybe there's some other places we could look. Because we can physically see there, and I don't see Luna anywhere. Let's try over here, actually. It's interesting that there are more yellow spots than one would think. A trace of her ear either. Her ear? Her here? Oof. I checked behind every bush and every stone, not even a trace. Let's give up for now and ride back to Hazel with the sad news. Oh, that is sad. Oh, if anything happened to my little cat, I would be absolutely despondent. But don't worry, Lady Hazel. Once we stop in town, I shall give you all the attention and pets and brushes that you deserve. goodness! She just leapt right over that fence. Lily is quite the daredevil, isn't she? Fortunately, I think she should be just a little bit more cautious for the sake of her horse. Is this Luna right here? Oh, it's so sad that you didn't find Luna. Now I'm even more worried. What do we do now? Oh, I don't know, Hazel. I'm so sorry. Print some posters? Wait, I just remembered something. I think I know where she might be. If you take Luna's favorite toy and ride around in the forest behind my house, maybe you can lure her out. She almost always shows up when she hears the mouse squeak. Lily, you know the way. Goodness. Playful temptation. Oh, let's not run over the cat. This is where Hazel lives with her dad, Lazarus. He loves collecting old things. The whole place is full of antiques. We should split up. I'll check around here first in case the cat got stuck somewhere amongst the furniture, and you can take the path up along the forest edge and search there. Don't forget to press the squeaky toy. She might show up when she hears it. Now that is an interesting mechanic. Oh! It actually makes the squeak. Oh, good Lily! Goodness gracious. Alright then. Well, before we do that, let me take care of Lady Hazel, because she deserves it. Then on our way out of town, we shall, give her some water and food. There she is! Just the sound is funny. Good job, Lady Hazel, we've done it. I don't know why that's so fun to squeak. You found her! Oh, Hazel will be overjoyed. Yes, let's go right away. Come on, let's ride back to Hazel. My same thoughts, Lily. Again, an interesting system where you have items show up sort of in your quick menu here. I do like that, actually. I think the cat is stuck. Hello, Hazel. We have your cat. Oh, there you are. You really found my sweet Luna. I can hardly believe it. Thank you so much for searching for so long. I knew I could count on you, and I'll never forget this. You are welcome. Oh. Worried Lazarus. Find Robert. Oh, hello, Robert. Oh. Oh, and that's so sweet. Luna has her toy. Hello, Robert. Oh, let me feed Lady Hazel first, because she deserves it. Anyway. Hello, I was just on my way to Lazarus. It seems like a new mystery is starting, but this time I think it's real. Oh? We need to hear what he has to say. If you say so. All right, squad, roll out. Literally, in Robert's case. This is fun, though. You actually have your own squad of friends that you go around and do stuff with. So often, horse games feel so lonely because you don't have anyone else in the game with you. You don't have a friend group, or you don't really have characters to interact with. It's just you kind of going about your day. So I very much enjoy this. Lazarus. Hello. I saw lights last night by the old mine. It's the same lights I saw before the big accident many years ago, and it really worries me. Oh, that is worrisome. Dora. Yes, exactly. I saw it too, and it's really scary. I got chills just thinking about it. Is the mountain waking up again? Oh dear. This sounds terrifying. The girls also saw lights by the mine behind the old church. I need to get to town now and see if there's anything about it in the archives. See you later. Oh, the apple farm. All right, I knew we were going to end up there at some point. Let's ride home now, but how about taking a little detour past the apple farm? A few juicy apples for us and the horses sounds perfect. Excuse me. I do enjoy a good apple. Follow Lily on another breakneck sprint through the forest. I'm trying, she's a speed demon. And again, Lady Hazel is a warhorse, not a racehorse. Sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to give you some water. Oh. My apologies, Lady Hazel. I got so caught up in the story, as it were. Oh, and you can actually see Robert off there in the distance. So he's actually... That's actually, again, a wonderful little detail. I very much appreciate that. From the sort of immersion perspective, if you will. Goodness, Lily. Doing great, ladies. So just a little rinse off, if you will. Oh, I've lost her. Oh, there she is. Lily's horse must be a direct descendant of American Pharaoh at this rate. Oh, what a lovely farm. Ooh. There's Daisy's farm. Oh, I can see her and her husband out in the garden. Come on, let's say hello. She'll be so happy. Find Daisy, the apple farm. Oh, look at all those apples. Hello. Oh, I thought I clicked on her. Toby. Hello. Evening. Daisy. Well, look who's here. Lily, and you must be Vera. Would you like to stay for a little break with us? So nice with visitors. You're the first ones who found your way here since the earthquake, when we got cut off from the rest... Oh, that would be terrifying when we got cut off from the rest of the island. All right, you'll continue to town soon, but first feel free to pick some apples. Just help yourselves, and first come, first served, as they say. They say? Oh, goodness. Come on, Vera. First one to fill their pockets with apples wins. And no, you're not allowed to bribe the horses to help. Just plucking them right off the trees. Whee! Oh, there's a pear tree as well. Thank you for stopping by to say hello. Hope to see you again soon. Say hi to Tom and Grandma. If you want to take a break before you continue, there's water and hay by the guest house. Have a nice ride ahead. Goodbye. Oh, well, thank you very much. Oh, good idea. Let's let the horses drink before we ride back toward town. Bye. Yes, that is a very good idea. I was thinking the same thing. I thought we were going to go over there. Apparently not. All right. Oh, the guest house, specifically. Oh? Cinematic? All right, now let's ride back to town. I really need to hurry. I promised Tom I would help with the horses. Right, let me just feed Lady Hazel very quick. Good job, Lady Hazel. And back to town we go. Now, unless it is for a story element, I do think that that cutscene would be the perfect opportunity to automatically fast travel or automatically teleport you to town or just outside of town. Again, not necessarily to cut down content of the game, but to just make it less tedious, if you will. In some ways. Otherwise, it is rather fun. To sort of ride around and be relaxing and so forth. It's just a thought for those very specific moments. Want to jump, Lady Hazel? No? Let's try. Oh, I'm so sorry. About this one. And see, again, in this case, town wasn't that far away, so I stand corrected. What a day. We got apples and an adventure to remember. I can't speak today, pardon me. Finding Luna was really special. See you soon. See you soon, Lily. Oh. Harriet's letter. Well, let's go see what... Oh. Oh, I got disoriented there. Where are we going? This way. There we go. For a moment it looked as if we needed to go a different direction. My apologies. Can we jump the fence here? We can! Thank you for humoring me, Lady Hazel. Madison. Good evening, Vera. Wait a moment, I have a letter for you and Robert. I have a letter here for you and Robert from Harriet. I think Robert is still at the newsroom working. All right. Sorry, Lady Hazel, let me at least give you some water while we're here, because I don't think you actually had a chance to drink when we stopped. There we go. All right, to Robert. Homeland Times. Robert. Hi, you're back. Tell me, how did it go? Was Harriet angry? Oh, I understand her. Has she written us a letter? Yes, Harriet has decided that we move on. She says Max didn't mean any harm, he just wanted to attract tourists and create a bit of excitement. Still, it feels bitter that my first article was based on something fake, but okay, let's let it go. You're very forgiving, Robert. Do you know what I found in the archive? The bright light over the old mines that Lazarus saw last night is the exact phenomenon reported before the big accident wherein so many lost their loved ones. Oh, interesting. Feels like history is repeating itself. I need to find out the truth before it's too late. That does up the stakes a bit, the fact that there was actual loss of life. And I wonder what those strange lights are. Oh, actually, before we go. Oh, another detail. You actually see them in the shop. I very much like that. Right, I just wanted to see, I do hope they add more things to the shops. More customization. I crave customization. Like, little ear hats and such. Oh, can we... Ah, there we go. We're getting there. Oh. The problem is we need a pink saddle. We can do pink boots now. Oh, no, we can't. Darn. I do want to stick with the jeans, though. If only they had pink jeans. Or maybe we go with the full pink. I don't know. I'm more partial to jeans, methinks. But I do feel like we should be wearing some sort of helmet as we're running around. But with that, I do believe we deserve a cowboy hat. We'll call it one of those cowboy hat helmets. Right, Lady Hazel, it is quite late, and you need quite a bit of attention. But pink is definitely her color, I would say. I don't think we've been out this late before, my goodness. All right. All attention to Lady Hazel. Oh, that's not what I meant. Nope, dismount, please. Lady Hazel needs attention. I do like that. You can actually reset it. Alright, now we may go to bed. So you found Robert. That's great. Now you can sleep well tonight. Rest properly, Vera. You've done a lot today. Yes, ma'am. Oh, and there's our cowboy hat. Well, all in all, not a bad day. We figured out that Lady Hazel is secretly a warhorse with her kicking. And what else happened? More breakneck running around. Max, Robert's uncle who did the hoax, was forgiven. He just wanted to shake things up. And we discovered that the lights over the mines that multiple people have been seeing were there the last time there was that horrible collapse. Pardon me, which does not bode well for the future, so... Very intriguing, and I'm excited to see where the story is going to take us on day 5. So, love the game so far. The mechanics-wise, it's early access. There's still a lot that can be done. But so far, for what it is, I am intrigued, and I do want to find out what is going on. So join me next time for Day 5 as we try to figure out what is going on with the mines on the Isle of Homeland. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Pax vobiscum. Goodbye.